What's up guys, it's Mark here of Driver67. So today this video is all about satisfying your curiosity. So some of you guys might know that I take the MX-5 ND2 out to the racetrack fairly often, and I also go drifting on the frozen lake. So maybe put around, I would say 3,000 kilometers on the ice drifting track, and then on road courses maybe fairly similar, maybe 3,000 kilometers as well, or maybe more, approximately. So about 600,000, sorry, not 600,000, dude, 6,000 kilometers of hard driving. And I did change my fluids for the transmission and differentials about maybe less than 10,000 kilometers after I got the car, because you guys probably know breaking in, the car sheds a lot of like metal foulings, those basically break-in stuff, right? They get stuck to the magnet. So this is the second change for the differential and transmission fluid. Let's see how much stuff gets stuck to the magnets and how the fluid looks like. Alright, the fluid I used for the first and now the upcoming second oil changes for the differential and transmission. I use for the transmission the AMSOIL 100% synthetic manual transmission and Transaxle gear lube 75W90, and the Mazda's OEM differential fluid. Guys, while transmission is still draining, I've got the old fluid that I fill it first. So that's the used fluid that's bleeding out from the transmission right now, and this is the half empty package that was remaining during that fill up. So collected the old fluid a little bit here so you get to see some colors, but colors is not everything. And the new fluid, let's pour a little bit more. And new fluid looks basically transparent, really, compared to the old fluid. Yeah, but the Mazda MX-5 transmission requires oil change every approximately like 40,000 kilometers. Yeah, and also it's pretty often actually compared to other vehicles. But yeah, this is what the old fluid looks like, new fluid. So guys, I have the transmission drain plug here. So it looks like the magnets caught something, and these things are magnetic. So let's see how much stuff that comes out. At least it's no big chunky bits. I mean, but yeah, it looks like quite a bit of stuff stuck to the magnet still. But it's lesser than the first change. The first oil change I had seems like there's a lot more. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that well. But yeah, definitely some metal shavings that comes out. Now the plug is fully cleaned, and this is what the clean plug looks like in the inside. Alright folks, so this is the fluid color from the one that just came out from the differential, and this is the new one left over from the first differential fluid change. Okay, let it soak right in. You know what? Eyeballing it, it's really hard to tell any color difference. I mean, a little bit. This side's slightly darker brown, I think. And this side, it's not as dark brown for the new fluid. So yeah, differential fluid seems okay. It looks like quite a bit of shavings stuck to the drain plug. And let's try to clean it up. Okay guys, got the drain plug mostly clean for the differential. It should look basically identical to the cleaned transmission drain plug as well. So it's not the cleanest right now, but you guys get to see some stuff that's got stuck in there. I'm just gonna clean this plug real good and then reinstall it.